Folks, in this video, we're going to talk about a program that I recently got involved with called Savings Highway Global. Savings Highway Global, an opportunity, folks, to build a 5-figure income. And we're going to show you step-by-step opportunity to save money on some of the things that we're doing already. We'll talk about it all on the inside. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I am super excited to bring you this quick video on Savings Highway Global. But before we get started, please like the video. Make sure we like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Guys, it's very important to subscribe to the channel. And you will know when I upload a video. You'll be the first to know. Hit that notification bell, folks. My channel is about money making opportunities and how we can automate it and have people to chase after us than rather have us chase after them. We only work with folks that raise their hand and say, hey, I want to join. And folks, we can show you how to get thousands of people per month to your website, to whatever your opportunity that you're marketing. And that's our goal. Folks, I am working with this program, very excited about it. And when you get an opportunity, what I want you to do, I want you to come over to my YouTube channel and you can walk around and find out what I got going on. You can check out some of the videos that I have. Guys, I got some upfront big ticket money right in your face, and I got long-term residual income that we're building to our wildest imaginations, folks. Anything is possible. But yeah, check out the channel when you get an opportunity and you can see some of the things that we've got going on. But in this video, we're going to focus on Savings Highway Global. Folks, it is absolutely a very exciting program. It has a 3x12 force matrix where you can plug into and build the income of your dreams. Folks, you can build it into the millions. It's possible. Of course, anything that we do in life, income disclaimer, it takes action and lots of it. When you take action, folks, the sky can be the limit. We're talking about passive residual income of your dreams. And you can build it as big as you want to build it. The sky can be the limit. You're in business for yourself, but you never by yourself. Folks, with Savings Highway Global, it's a way that you can save money on your bills, car insurance, medical expenses. And we're going to go down the line: vacations, travel, hotel rentals. And we're going to go down the line. We're going to talk about some of the savings in this video. In some future videos, I'm going to be very specific, and we're going to talk about testimonials. We're going to talk about the savings in specific videos. We're going to talk about exactly how much money that can be made in some of the videos. But I'm going to be kind of wide and generic in this video. As you can see, folks, when you plug in as a platinum member, just being a platinum member for 1 year qualifies you for a $3,200 free vacation. That's being a platinum member for 12 months. And I'm going to explain to you the membership levels. We have gold and platinum, 2 membership levels that you can join. Folks, look at what you can save on. And these are things that we're doing already. This is mind-blowing when you begin to look at it. Shopping, dining, travel, car insurance, home insurance, rental insurance, groceries, hotel rooms, condos, vacation, rental cars, perfume, furniture, sporting goods, kitchen appliances, office appliances, webinar systems. It is absolutely endless. Cell phone bills. And folks, the way you do this, once you become a member, you will upload those bills. And we have people that are professionals that will contact this particular company and get your bills lowered. That is amazing to me. Now, what other opportunity out there that you can come save money on your expenses and make money? Folks, that's incredible. Save on new and used cars, storage units, solar energy, payroll, waste management, healthcare, dental and vision, prescriptions, doctor visits, preventative health, hospitalization. Save thousands on taxes and more. Folks, it's endless is what you can save. Look at this. Save even on pest control, alarm systems, lawn care, and other recurring bills. People are saving thousands. Let me tell you, thousands of dollars with Savings Highway Global. You simply become a member. When you become a member, you will go to the savings portal, and then you will upload those bills. In another video, I'll be very more specific on how to go to the savings portal. On the inside of your inside, once you log in, you click onto the savings tab, and whatever that bill is you need to lower, you go to the savings portal and you upload that bill. Folks, this is exciting. The average annual savings per family, you're talking about $5,000 to $10,000 per year. That's the average. Folks, this is incredible. When Bill C. joined as a platinum member, he says one of the easiest, most profitable decisions I ever made. And we are saving thousands of dollars, and we're getting paid to help others. That is incredible. Here's a testimonial, folks. I saved $455 on a Miami vacation. And this is our member that saved on vacation, $300 on a car rental. $4,300 was saved on this Dodge Journey. Folks, look at the testimonial here. I saved $4,300 on the purchase of a new vehicle, the Dodge Journey. My savings portal. Once you are a member, you need to register, create an account with your private code, and you're off to the races. This is a person that had a Papa John's franchise. They saved $62,000. Thank you, Savings Highway Global. $62,000 on our Papa John's stores. Saved on their bills without switching the provider. Harold C. Start earning money today, folks. That is just part of the opportunity. We're going to touch bases here on when you become a member. And look at this, folks. This is the world. We're in 140 countries around the world, 140 countries, over 4 million visitors and growing. Look who's visiting the pages right now. All over the world, Vancouver, Los Angeles, Florida, Texas, and it is endless are people that are visiting the website right now. Folks, again, you're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. I'm going to show you the opportunity, and then we'll go from there. This is the opportunity. Let's click on the opportunity tab. Our mission is to help 1 million plus families become financially abundant. Absolutely incredible. And here's part of the compensation plan. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be quiet for a minute. I'm going to let our CEO, Steve Gresham, I'm going to bring him to you for just a few moments. Let Steve explain. We've got this brand new compensation plan. When you get an opportunity, go to step 2, look at this video here, and you will get a further detailed discussion on this comp plan and what it can do for you and your family. You already see the kind of product that we have. Savings portal, save on your bills, hotel rentals, again, rental cars, and it is absolutely endless with that product that we have, and we'll go from there. In another video, I'm going to talk more about, look at the testimonial page, guys. I'm going to go back over here. What our members are saying. Check out what some of our members are saying. We have pages and pages and pages of what all of our great members are saying. And for the sake of the video, I'm not going to go down everybody's testimonial, but I am going to do a video, and I'm just going to dedicate 2 or 3 videos to just testimonials. Look at the pages, folks, of testimonials of how this business have helped our people. And we have industry leaders. We have leaders that are just taking Savings Highway Global to another level. I could not be more excited to be a part of this opportunity. Folks, if you want to get started, the link will be below the video. Now, the link below the video is in a rotator. And the link you may come to, it may not be mine, but it may be one of my team members. Join the link on the video, and we'll get you started. You'll get a welcome email. In this welcome email, it's going to be a welcome to the team email. You're going to have access. Let me show you something, folks. This is incredible to me. We're going to give you access to this right here. This is our team training site. And it is 1, 2, 3 simple. Let me say that again. This is our team training site. It is 1, 2, 3 simple. And you're going to get a welcome email. You're going to get access to all the things that we're doing. You're going to get access to our funnel. And it is incredible. I'll go over it in another video, but very excited about that funnel. and we'll get you off to the races. You'll get a welcome email from your sponsor, or you'll get it from me, but the link will be below the video. If it doesn't have my name, it's one of my team members, and we're ready to get you started. And we'll give you all the support in the world to grow your income to your wildest dreams. You're going to get access to our team training, Facebook group. Success is simple as 1, 2, 3. Daniel created this thing. Daniel's in our upline. Daniel Kump, an incredible individual. Very excited to have him at the helm. And really, folks, we want you to become a member of the Facebook group. As soon as you join the team, we'll get you welcome into the Facebook group and get you off to the races. Guys, could not be more excited about this thing. If you could send a solo ad, we're even mailing a postcard. I got a postcard made for some of the folks that get a hold of me. And we'll go from there. Let's look at a piece of this video. Let me go back over here. And we're going to look at just a piece of this video from Steve, and then I'm going to get off the video. Let's listen to Steve, guys, and after Steve, I will come back to you and I'll close out.
Right? We're going to help you get there. Let's go. We'll see you on the next video.
Let's go back here.
Hope you're doing well.
Let's wind it back.
Hello there. This is Steve Gresham. Hope you're doing well. I'm the founder of Savings Highway. And I'm so excited that you are here to learn about our compensation plan. This is going to be a very brief overview, and we have other videos that will go more in depth for you and teach you about, the intricacies of the compensation. But it's very simple. It's all about helping people. And I've been doing marketing over 30 years, and I haven't seen anything with these elements together providing an opportunity for the average person like we've created. Because our mission is to help 1 million families get out of debt, become financially abundant, and leave a legacy. There are 4 types of income that you need. One is a job income. That's the income that you might have right now, which is great because you can pay your bills, right? You go to work, and then you get paid. The second one is called residual income. And that's an income that usually only wealthy people have. A lot of people, most people, don't have residual income. And residual income means that you are going to do the work one time and you get paid month after month, year after year. And that's a great feeling when you can...
Folks, let me just echo what Steve just said. You can
say, I worked and I got paid over and over and over and over. The third part, or the third type, is the duplication income. And that's like a manager or a supervisor or a district manager or a regional manager. They are always getting paid on the efforts of the people that they train.
Folks, that's what we want to nail home, duplication. We have a system in place that you're not doing it all by yourself, but we're able to duplicate the efforts of others. That's what it's all about, duplication. Very powerful, folks.
And they help to succeed. And so that's called duplication income. That means getting paid on others' efforts, not just
That's
your own.
powerful.
Now, how do you deserve to do that? Well, by helping those people to be successful. And so that's what a manager does. You have, in a company, you have a president, you have a supervisor, you have a manager, you have an employee, right? Employees only get paid on that every other week kind of thing. But the managers, the supervisors, they're getting paid on the efforts of other people. So you want, those 3 incomes, and then you want investment income. And once you're making money with us and you're ready, we can help you set up a financial legacy for your family because we have qualified advisors to help you to do that in safe, virtually risk-free type investments that do leave a legacy for your family so that your name can go on and people can go, wow, thank you, Dad. Thank you, Granddad. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Grandma. What you did for us. And I've done it for my family, and it's a wonderful feeling. So, again, you have 4 types of income. Job income, right? Work now, get paid. Work now, get paid. You get sick, maybe you have some sick days. You stop working, the money stops. That's a scary prospect. You need to have at least 6 months of living expenses in the bank right now. Do you? If you don't, we got to get you there first because that's bottom level. You've got to get up. If you don't have 6 months of living, and I've been there, believe me, if you don't have 6 months of living in your bank right now, you've got to get there. and we're going to help you to do that if you will listen and work and do what we say. Okay, the second income is the residual income. Working now, getting paid month after month after month. Incredible.
Incredible.
That's the best feeling. I have residual income from years ago. Work I did years ago that I still get paid on. Incredible, right? Okay, number 3, duplication income. Getting paid on the efforts of other people that you help. That's a wonderful thing too, because nobody can do it by themselves. Everybody has a team. A team, you know they say teamwork makes the dream work? Because it's real, okay? And 4th is investment income, making your money work for you. Now, how many of those types of income do you have right now? If you
Ask yourself the question, folks, how many types of income do you have? Job income, residual income, duplication income, investment income. Folks, you got to have this working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is absolutely powerful.
You don't have all 4? Do you want them? I know I did. And that's what our system is designed to help you create in your life. You've got it now. It's in your brain. You know you need those 4 incomes, right? We're going to help you get there. Let's go. We'll see you on the next video.
Folks, Saving Highway Global, get started today. The link will be below the video. You're going to get a welcome to the team email with step-by-step instructions. You can join for either the gold, which is $20, platinum, $100. And folks, once you get in, you get access to all the training, the support that you need. Build yourself a business, folks. And people say, well, I wish I would have known about this 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Folks, in 10 years from today, people are going to be saying the same thing. 25 years from today of you seeing this video, people are going to say, I wish I would have started. Folks, there is no better time than starting right now. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to bring you some more updates for Savings Highway Global. One more thing, folks. We have every night of the week, we have a live call 2 times a day. We have it at 12 p.m. Eastern and 9 p.m. Eastern. Here are the times. Here are our next webinars. You can join it on Zoom. So just scroll to the bottom of the website. You can see how to get on a Zoom, and we'll go from there. Our live webinars. Okay, folks, have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.